Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Microbit. Today, we're going to do two exciting projects, temperature sensor and strobe light. Okay, but for this first video, I'm going to show you how to do the temperature sensor first. Okay, so at least if you feel tired, you can take a break in between the two videos. Okay, so let's get started. Make sure you've gone to the Microbit website, makecode.microbit.org. Click on New Project. Okay, the first one is the temperature sensor code. So let's call it temperature for short. Don't forget your name at the back. Okay, let me just zoom in the screen a bit. Okay, today we're going to delete the on start and forever because we don't need that. We are instead going to pull out input A and B because button A and B is going to control my temperature sensing. So let's pull it out. Go to input, take out button A. Take out another button A, change this second one to B. Okay, now everyone, we're going to start with A first. Okay, so on button A press, I want my microbit to show me a temperature reading. Okay, so the reading is actually a number. So let's go to basic. We're going to pull out a show number block, pop it in A first. Okay, and what kind of number? Well, we're going to get a temperature reading, right? And we learned from group learning that Microbit actually has a temperature sensor inside it. Okay, so activate it, we need to go to input, scroll down, look for a temperature block. This is the temperature sensor reading. Okay, pull it out, pop it in A show number 0. Okay, now let's test this code out. So if I press A, it should show me the temperature of my surrounding air in degrees Celsius. Okay, so we got 21. All right, but everyone, if you just ignore this little icon here, it only shows me a number. Okay, I want to make it better. I want to make it to tell me that it's in degrees Celsius. So I'm going to add an additional show string. Okay, I'm going to make it tell me that it's in degrees Celsius. So I'm going to change the words here to C as the unit is the temp. Okay, the reason why is because we cannot add the symbol degrees. Okay, so we're just going to use C to represent. All right, so let's test this out. On button A press, show number temperature, C is the temp. So it tells me that this is in degrees Celsius. All right, perfect. Now let's move on to button B. Okay. All right, now everyone, on button B press is going to be the exact same code, but our temperature now is going to be not in degrees Celsius, but in Fahrenheit. Okay, so let's just start with the exact same coding first. So I'm going to pull out the show number. Okay, now what kind of number and what kind of temperature reading? We are not going to just use this block. We're going to add a formula to it. So today we're going to use a math formula block. Click on this. Okay, first we're going to pull out a multiplication. Okay, I will explain soon. All right, I'm not going to pop it in yet, put it at the side. Then I'm going to go back to input, pull out my temperature block. Okay, now everyone, this is the formula for Fahrenheit. Okay, from degrees Celsius, you need to multiply times by the number 1.8, and then you have to add 32 to this entire block. So to add 32 to this thing, we have to add another math block. Okay, addition, take it out. Okay, pop this in the first hole. All right, so temperature times 1.8, finish, then plus 32. Okay, so this is the entire formula. Once done, pop it into the 0 under B. And this is basically our temperature in Fahrenheit. Okay, but same thing, I want it to show me the unit. So I'm going to copy the A show string code, duplicate. Change this instead of C, change to F. Okay, let's try this out. Press B. And now I have a Fahrenheit reading. Okay, 69.8 F is the temp in Fahrenheit. Okay, so everyone, that's basically it for your temperature code. Don't forget to download. Later, you need to upload on eCampus. Okay, so I'm going to pause now. you can take a short break before you start the next video that teaches you on the strobe light.